Well, you know that saying, when something old is new again? Well, we have something for you, micro dahlias. I'm with Larry Smith from the Portland Dahlia Society, and so you have like a new collection. What is it?
Oh, right. I've been growing them for a while, but with the American Dahlia Society has decided to really push the idea of growing these micro dahlias. They're much smaller. They're easy to grow. They bloom early. You get tons of blooms. They're great pollinators because they attract a lot of bees. Wonderful. And you can grow them in pots very easily. So if you have a small space, you can grow dahlias.
And so tell us how easy, because I think the big ones are pretty easy too, but tell us a little bit more to entice people in.
The beauty of these is you can, they bloom very early, and
nice.
You can put them in. They're almost kind of foolproof. You'll get the very, 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 very early blooms, and they continue to bloom through frost.
Wow.
And also, when you put them in a pot, you can take the whole thing inside and put it in an area where it won't freeze and bring it right back in the spring and probably have blooms by Memorial Day. I did with the one that I had potted.
Oh yeah, because my regular dahlias, I don't even see a bud on them, so that's really exciting. And so there's a couple different kinds. There's not all the different kinds like the big dahlias, but there's many different kinds. And so which ones do you grow?
I grow, we have the mignon singles, which are just kind of like a daisy. I have orchettes. I don't have any miniature collarettes yet, but those are the ones with the little collar.
Right.
There is one also called an orchid type, and there's more and more being developed every year. The American Dahlia Society has decided to really put some effort into getting people to know more about them, and we think that since we're including all the categories in our show this year, there will be more hybridizers that are probably going to develop more of them as time goes on.
Wow, and really you can even win a ribbon for your dahlias.
Yeah.
And so when is the big show that has all the different dahlias in it?
We have our show in Portland. It's at Oaks Park, and it will be the last weekend. I believe it's the 24th and 25th of August this year at the Dance Pavilion, and anybody can come. It's a free show.
Fun.
You don't. Anybody can come to our meetings. We're also, starting in August, we'll be meeting on the second Tuesday at Oaks Park, and you don't have to be a member to join. So it'll be 7 o'clock on the second Tuesday of the month. Yeah.
And that is a big ribbon for such
huge.
a small small plant, but congratulations.
Okay.
That's a wonderful thing.
Thank you.
And so there's a website?
Yes, it's www.portlanddahlia.com, and through that you can get all the information about the club, about different types of flowers. You can also have a way to contact some of us if you have questions.
Really, and they are the experts about dahlias. So if you have any questions, go to that website and go to Garden Time, and you can click over to that website because we all love dahlias in our gardens. They're so much fun and so beautiful. Well, thanks so much for all that information.
Well, thank you for coming out.